Hello friends, good morning. This is Miniraj Kumar. Friends, today in this video I am going to talk about very important thing friends. You know, we learn so many things and we learn so many skills and we learn English language and we set a goal, we want to achieve that goal, but why we are not able to achieve that goal? Do you know friends? Yes. So friends, I brought this video for all you, and in this video I am going to talk about some mistakes, and we often make these mistakes, and friends know this mistake stop us from becoming a good speaker, and this mistake also stop us from becoming a successful person. Yes. So yes friends, in this video I'm going to talk about some mistakes. Please don't commit these mistakes if you want to grow and if you want to do something in your life. So friends, without any delay we are starting this video, but before that I want to appreciate my audience and who is watching me patiently from all over the world and all over the India. Friends, first of all, thank you for clicking this video. First of all, thank you for visiting my channel. Friends, if you are new viewers and on this channel, and please appreciate me by like and subscribe my channel. And friends, if you are new English learners, and I promise you, if you watch this video till the end, you will get more benefits from this video. Yes, you will get more benefits from this video. So friends, we are going to start this video knowing our mistakes. Friends, you know, most of the people, they want to solve their problems, they want to solve their problems, but they do not know that their mistakes, they do not know where lies their mistakes. So friends, this is first of all, this is our first mistake, is this, that people don't take an action. Yes, people don't take action. Friends, you know, friends, many people, they want to grow in their life, they want to achieve something in their life, and they want to be successful in their life, but they don't take action. Friends, like suppose you want to make your body. Yes, you want to make your body. Friends, you need to go to gym. Friends, but you can't, still you don't go. Friends, how can you make your body without going gym? No friends, it is next to impossible, it is not possible. Friends, that if you want to make your body, you need to go to gym. Friends, likewise, suppose you want to be a good swimmer. Friends, you can't be a good swimmer by just reading books. Friends, no, you can't be a good swimmer by just reading books. Friends, for becoming a good swimmer, you need to get into the water first. Yes, you need to get into the water first. Yes friends, so this is very important. And friends, likewise, suppose you are new English learners and you want to learn English language, and but you don't speak. Friends, how can you be a good speaker by just reading books, learning phrases, learning idioms, and so many other things? Friends, these all are necessary, but first of all you have to speak. Yes, so this is very important. Friends, many students they joined some courses and services, but they are not able to learn anything. Friends, out of hundreds people, out of 100 students, only 10 students take an action, only 10 people take an action. Friends, those who don't take an action, they are not going to give you any result, but those who take an action, those are going to give result. This is very important. Do you know about Mahatma Buddha? Friends, Mahatma Buddha said human makes two mistakes. Yes, human makes two mistakes. One mistake is this, that he doesn't start the work. Whatever he wants to do, he doesn't start work. And the second mistake is this, that he does not continue his work. Yes, we do not continue our work. Friends, we want to do something in our life. We want to achieve big thing in our life, but first of all, we don't take an action, and second is we don't continue our work. This is very important, friends. So, and I hope you got it, friends. This is our first mistakes, and which is done by so many students. So please don't commit these mistakes, and these mistakes stop us from becoming a good speaker or from becoming a successful person. Yes, so now friends, I am going to talk about, friends, this is our second mistake, is waiting for perfection. Yes, waiting for perfection to come. Friends, you think once I become perfect, then I will start my journey, then I will start my speaking. Friends, it is not going to happen. Yes, it is not going to happen. Friends, it is not going to happen. Friends, you have to start your journey, and whichever you formed. Friends, suppose once you become perfect, and tell me, why will you start your speaking if you are perfect? Friends, no, you don't need to start your journey. You don't need to start practicing, because you are perfect. Friends, do you know perfectionism is dream killer? Yes, perfectionism is dream killer. Friends, so don't wait perfection to come. Friends, please don't commit these mistakes. Friends, you are perfect whichever you formed. Friends, if you do your efforts constantly and from your heart, one day people would start calling you Mr. Perfectionist. Yes, but you have to put your efforts. So friends, I hope you got it, and this is our second mistake. Friends, this is waiting for perfection to come. Friends, so now friends, I am moving on our next mistakes. This is, friends, this is self-doubt. Friends, many people have self-doubt. Many students have self-doubt. Do you have self-doubt? Friends, are you dubious? Friends, many students. Friends, I want to tell you that I am a teacher and I teach English language, and many students come to me to study. Friends, they ask me, sir, after doing this course, will I be able to speak or not? Friends, I say, if you do this course and if you put your efforts constantly, you will speak. And some of the students, they ask second time, sir, after joining this institute and after after coming here, will I be able to speak or not? I say, if you come here and if you do your efforts, if you learn each and everything focusedly, why you will not learn? And some of the students, they ask third time, they ask, sir, friends, they say, sir, can I speak English in a fluent manner? After doing this course, I say, no, you can't be a good speaker and you can't speak English language and you can't learn anything in your life. Then they start asking, why? Why are you saying this? Because if you are not willing to improve your English language, if you are not willing to take your English to the next level and you are not willing to do anything in your life, and how can I judge you and what can I do for you? Please tell me. No friends, no. You can't do anything in your life if you are not willing to anything. Friends, I can't do anything for you. Friends, if you have self-doubt, friends, please remove this self-doubt. Friends, many students say, oh, I can't learn anything in my life. I can't do anything in my life. Friends, I will say, rather than saying, oh, I am not good for nothing and I am not able to do anything, say, I can do anything in my life. I can achieve anything in my life, whatever I want to achieve. I am good for anything. Say, friends, I would say, you need to change your mindset. You need to change your attitude from self-doubt to self-confidence. You need to change your mindset from self-doubt to self-confidence. Friends, you need to change your thought process from self-doubt to self-doubt. Friends, remember one thing and always keep this thing in your mind. And this thing is going to help you not only spoken English but also in your life. Friends, if you think you can. If you think you can't. This is your attitude. This is your mindset. So friends, this is very important. No. Many students, they want to learn English language. They want to do something remarkable in their life. Yes, friends, they start in self-doubt. Friends, many students and many people, they have mindset of beggar. They don't keep mindset of king. Yes, they don't keep mindset of king. Friends, so please don't start your journey in your self-doubt. Friends, first of all, believe in yourself. Friends, if you believe yourself, everyone believe on you. But first of all, first you don't believe on yourself, nobody will believe you. So this is very important. So friends, I hope you understand, and this is the biggest mistakes and people make these mistakes. And now friends, please don't commit these mistakes. And now friends, I am going to move on our fourth mistakes, that is wanting overnight result. Yes, many people, they want to grow, they want to speak, they want to do something remarkable in their life, they want to be successful, but they want overnight result. Friends, हम रातों रात रिजल्ट चाहते हैं. फ्रेंड्स, रातों रात रिजल्ट कैसे मिल सकता है? फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक्स, वांटिंग ओवरनाइट रिजल्ट. फ्रेंड्स, नो, nothing happens overnight. Yes, nothing happens overnight. Everything takes time, and your English also going to take your time. Yes, nothing happens overnight. Friends, remember, fluency spoken English is not overnight story. It takes time, it takes sweat, tears and patience. If you don't have patience, if you don't have sweat, tears, you are not going to be a good speaker. Friends, you think just spend 1 month, 2 months and 3 months, I will be a good speaker. Friends, it is not going to happen. Friends, yes, it is not going to happen. You know, Rome was not built in a day. Yes, Rome was not built in a day, and your English, when you know, it took time, and your English also going to take your time. Friends, nothing happens overnight. Fluency spoken English is not overnight story. Friends, you deliver your speech, you deliver your speech, first speech, second speech, third speech. After delivering some speeches, you start comparing yourself with good speaker. Friends, please don't compare yourself with good speaker. You see good speaker and to start comparing yourself with them. Friends, how can you compare yourself with good speaker? They practiced a lot. How can you compare? Friends, if you want to compare yourself, you need to compare your progress with previous day progress. Yes, you can compare. Yes, your previous day progress. Yes, you can compare your progress. Friends, it is very important. So don't compare yourself unnecessarily with anyone. Friends, comparing yourself steals your happiness and steals your confidence. So don't compare, friends. Some people get success early, but while others takes time. Friends, when you see a successful person, you start getting jealous. So don't feel jealous if you see someone is succeed. Don't feel jealous. Friends, get inspired from them and put your efforts constantly and work hard on your dreams and improve your skills. One day you will definitely be a successful. This is very important. So don't compare. I hope you guys understand this mistake. Please don't commit these mistakes. Now friends, I am going to talk about this is our fifth mistakes. This is friends, this is no clarity of concepts. Yes, many people, they want to speak, they want to grow, but friends, if I ask you, if you don't know how to use AGMR, watch bar, have, hatch, friends, how can you deliver your speech? How can you deliver your speech if you don't know how to use AGMR, watch bar? You can't deliver. Friends, you learned many things, but you don't know how to use these words in practical way. Friends, learning is one thing and implementation is different things. Yes, implementation is different things. Friends, don't. Friends, friends, like you have learned structures like fond of. मुझे इस चीज़ का बहुत शौक है. Friends, you have learned. You can say, I am fond of driving car, I am fond of listening music, and I am fond of riding bike, I am fond of cooking, I am fond of listening music. You can say you have learned, but friends, you don't know how to use these structures in practical way. Friends, no. it is what purpose this structure. It is not going to improve your English. This is very important. Do you know, when I started learning English, I did not know English, friends. I was making a lot of mistakes. Yes, I did not know English, friends. But first of all, I have learned so many structures, and those structures helped me to speak in a better way, friends. So you have to learn many structures and use those structures in a practical way, friends. Today I am improving a lot, friends. I am putting my efforts constantly from my heart, so I am improving a lot, friends. Today I am not what I was yesterday. Tomorrow I will not what I am today. I am improving a lot, friends. This is very important. So friends, first of all, don't commit these mistakes. Learn everything focusedly. This is very important. And now friends, I hope you understand. Don't commit these mistakes that if you want to grow. And now friends, I am going to talk about, this is our sixth mistakes. This is no intent and no purpose. Many people, they want to grow, they want to speak, they want to do something in their life, they want to be successful in their life, but they do not have purpose, friends. If you do not have purpose, if you do not intend, how can you learn anything? No, you can't learn anything if you don't have purpose, friends. No, we learn English language from YouTube channel. We learn grammar rules from YouTube channel. We learn vocabs from YouTube channel. But we do not have intent. We do not have purpose. Friends, you are wasting your time. You can't learn anything if you do not have burning desire. This is very important. So friends, intent and purpose very important, friends. Yes. Friends, like you suppose you want to go to Delhi, you know where you have to go, but you can easily reach there. But if you don't know that where you have to go, how would you reach there? Yes, how would you reach there, friends? Like you want to go to Delhi and you are at bus stop and there is a conductor in front of you, friends. Yes, you want to go to Delhi, friends. Conductor knows English, but you don't know English. How would you ask the conductor? Please tell me, how would you ask the conductor, friends? You can say, sir, I ticket, I Delhi, I want ticket. You can say like this way, friends. Conductor will easily understand, friends. If you don't know grammar, that's fine. If you don't know vocabulary, that's fine. But first of all, you should have intent and purpose. Yes, friends. Yes. If I say, please come on the stage and speak on any topic, whatever you want to speak, when you come on the stage, you start looking around and you start getting confused because you don't know what you have to say. Yes, you don't know what you have to say, friends. If I give you, friends, direction and purpose, and please come on the stage and you have to speak on trees. Yes, you have to speak on trees, friends. Then you can notice this thing that your mind, your whole energy will be concentrate that particular object and your mind will start getting ideas. Yes, your mind start getting ideas, friends, because first of all in our life we should have goal in our life, friends. First, if we have goal will give us direction, and we can put our efforts on that direction. To purpose and intent is very important in our life. If you do anything in our life, so this is very important. So I hope you guys got it. And now friends, I am going to talk about, this is our 7th mistakes, and this is called, friends, no action plan. Friends, like there is somebody who is fond of speaking, who is interesting doing speaking practice, but if you ask him, please show me your action plan, if he or she has action plan, that he is going to improve their speaking. But if he or she doesn't have a list, doesn't have the action plan, he is not going to improve anything. It is very important. Friends, first of all, I will say you have to speak around 50 speeches. You will say, oh sir, I do not have time. I can't speak on one speech in a one day. Please don't worry. If you don't have time, please speak on one speech in 2 days. Friends, still you don't have time, speak on one speech in 3 days. But I will not give you more time. Yes, I will not give you more times. Yes, friends, I will not give you more times. Friends, I want to you that you have to speak on one speech in one day. Friends, if you speak on one speech in 7 days, and after 7 days you speak on one speech, you just deliver 4 speeches in a month. Friends, but this kind of practice is not going to help you. Friends, you are not going to get better result this kind of practice. If you want to instant result, if you want to early result, you need to put your efforts every day. You need to speak every day. It is very important. So friends, action plan is very important in our journey. So I hope you guys understand, and please, in my humble request, please don't commit this mistake in your journey. If you want to learn anything, if you want to grow in your life. So now friends, I am going to talk about, friends, our 8 mistakes. Mistakes number, friends, quitting before the game ends. Yes, quitting before the game ends. We want to grow in our life, we want to achieve something big in our life, but we quit before the game ends. We rest. Friends, many people have this kind of, friends, mindset, skippable attitude. Friends, when they face any problems, they skip their goal. And but some of the people, they have stickable attitude. Friends, they are stick on their goals, and they never quit before the game ends. Friends, this kind of person keep practicing again and again until he succeed. Yes, until he succeed. So friends, someone had this kind of mindset. This is called stickable attitude. Friends, so this attitude is going to very helpful in your journey. So please don't quit before the game ends. Yes, please put your efforts constantly, and one day you will win. One day you will be successful. So this is very important. And friends, now friends, I am going to talk about, this is our ninth mistake mistakes number ninth, and this is called unwillingness to leave their comfort zone. Yes, unwillingness to leave their comfort zone. Friends, many people, they want to grow, they want to speak, they want to be in their life, they want to be successful person. They had set a goal, they want to achieve their goal, but they are comfortable, they are unwillingness to leave their comfort zone. Friends, they are comfortable, they think, friends, they are comfortable, but they do not know their comfortability is the biggest uncomfortability. Friends, our success will start with our uncomfortability. Friends, if you want to grow in your life, if you want to achieve anything in your life, friends, you have to leave your comfort zone. Yes, you have to leave your comfort zone, friends. So please leave your comfort zone, friends. So I hope you understand, this is our ninth mistakes, and which is done by so many new English learners, which is done by so many students. So please don't commit these mistakes. Now friends, I am going to talk about, this is our last and friends very important mistakes. Friends, there are so many mistakes stop us from becoming a good speaker. There are so many mistakes stop us from becoming a successful person, but in this video I will teach only 10 mistakes. Yes, this is are very important, these are very important. Friends, our 10th mistake is glossophobia. Yes, our 10th mistake is glossophobia. Do you know the meaning of glossophobia? Yes friends, do you know the meaning of glossophobia? Glossophobia means that the fear of public speaking. The fear of public speaking. Friends, many people have fear of public speaking. Do you know this fear is second biggest fear on this planet? But after that, this is the biggest fear on this planet. But before it, death is the first biggest fear on this planet. Yet death is the first biggest fear on this planet. So friends, friends, many people want to speak in front of people, they want to grow in their life, but they scared of public speaking. They think, what will people say if they speak wrong? They speak, friends, wrong. Friends, why are you constantly worried about what will people think about yourself? Friends, people don't think yourself. Friends, you have to follow your two goals. Don't think society. Friends, doesn't matter what people think about yourself, it is matter that what you think yourself. Yes, it is matter what you think yourself. So don't think about society. Friends, society opinions about you does not becomes your reality. Yes, does not becomes your reality, friends, but your personal opinions can be lifetime. Friends, society opinions